Creating a Wax Wallet speedrun. The easiest way to do this is just to log in with one of these. You can use your Reddit account, your Google account, Facebook, Discord, Twitter, doesn't matter. You can just use a different account to log in. Your next alternative would be to go to email, punch in your email. Then after your email is punched in, you'll just do your password. And then after your password, you'll just do I'm not a robot. Then hit sign up. Alright, after you've hit sign up, you can go to your email. Then when the email appears, go ahead and click it. And then hit activate your account. Alright, just repunch in the same info. Click I'm not a robot. And then click login. Alright, and you're in your wallet. Right here is your Wax address. You just give that to whoever wants to send you an NFT.